Hello guys, we have a very interesting question today that has to do with square roots. You can see we have square root of 81 to be the internal square root. We still have 160 r squared and we have 12r. So let me just go straight to the point. Let's firstly split and solve for this part. So for that, if we take square root of 81r power 4, it's something as saying 9r squared, right? Now what we'll have left in the whole of this is going to be square root of 12r plus, square root of, we're having 160 r squared plus 9r squared, because this is no longer going to be there, right? We have this, so that I will have square root of, for all of this 12r plus square root of 169 r squared. Sorry, recall they said all of this is equals to 5 because the question says we should find the value of r, right? Now for this, this is different, so that we are going to have square root of, this is 12r plus square root of 169 is 13, square root of r squared is r, to be equals to 5, so that this is going to be square root of 25r to be equals to 5, because we have 12 plus 13, right? Now for this, we are having square root of 25 is 5, but we are having root r to be equals to 5. We will have something like square root of r is equals to, if we divide both sides by 5, we have something like 5 over 5. You understand? This we cancel out, we will have 1 here, so that if we take the square on both sides, the square root of r all squared is equals to 1 all squared. This cancels out, r is equals to 1 is our result. So if you substitute r to be 1, you are going to find out that this is true for all values of r as stated here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.